and it takes you to this screen, and you can try their free demo. Plus500 doesn't require you to get like documents, your proof of ID, your address for you to get a free demo. But if you want to open an account, you can open an account and you can start trading, but it will require you to get your documents uploaded and verified once you want to take the money out from your trading account into the bank. So you can just try a free demo and they'll give you 100,000 for you to start trading with. So I'm just going to get into my demo account. This is my account with Plus500. So you can play around with your screen to see what is happening. You have the menu here. You can deposit, withdraw, switch to real money, log out. There is help. You can do all sort of things. And here you can put your orders. You can view your closed positions here. And you put your orders here. So Plus500 also has like a list that you can choose from. If you want to trade majors, you just scroll here. It will show you major. So if you want to trade some major currencies, if you want to do Aussie USD, you just click on it and it will show you the graph right here, the candlesticks, what is going on. So this is 1 minute. You can change it to 1 day. I like to view the 1 day first before I make a decision. So if I want to see what was happening, I can zoom in, I can zoom out. Okay, for now it is telling me to buy if I see all this green lining up. Okay, I can see 4 hours what is happening. This is a strong buy. I can see 1 minute what is happening. So if I want to buy, I'll click buy here, and then here it will tell me $83 required. So for me to buy right now, I can change my settings. If I want to buy for 250, if I want to buy for $83, and then I want to close it a profit. If I want my profit for $8, I think I want a profit for about $5. So I'll just check and see here how much I want. It also shows me a percentage. So there, that's my profit. I click buy. So I've just opened a position. Okay, something is wrong here with this one. Is giving me an error, but it should open a position right now. And if I go to open positions, it should show me here. It should show me the position that I have opened, and it should show me when it is closing. This is the percentage of change, like how it is moving, the rate of change. And this is showing me this position I opened a long time ago. I opened it on the 2nd of October, and up until now it hasn't closed. So with Plus500 you get overnight charges. This is how much they've charged me, $8.81 from the time I opened on the 2nd of October because I had set my profit and I'm not going to close it until it reaches my profit. So they'll be charging me overnight. They charge you overnight, and if you don't conclude your positions, if you don't close your positions on a weekend, they'll charge you over weekend. So yeah, Plus500 they charge. But if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw for free. You can also trade gold here. You can search for gold. So you can also trade gold if you're interested in gold. Make sure that you know the gold that you want to trade because it has got many variations. It has got indices. So the gold that I normally trade is just gold XAU. This one. This is the gold that I normally trade. So there are all other forms of gold variation. Some move in pips, some move in pipettes. So you just find what works for you. If you want to buy, click buy, and then it will show you required margin. So this one is for $89, 89 Australian dollars, 64 US dollar. So you wanted to close at profit. So with Plus500, it doesn't force you to set like a close at loss like eToro. eToro forces you, even if you don't want it, to just kick you out if like. So with Plus500, you can choose not to tick here if you don't want. If you want, you can, and you can set your amount. If you want since I have bought like $89, so you can set your stop loss at $89, so that when it is going beyond $89, it can close. That way it won't affect your margin. It will just affect, yeah, of course it will affect your margin. You won't really lose like more. So I'm just saying that I am prepared to lose $89 if things go wrong. If my predictions are wrong, I am prepared to lose $89. You see this one? This is what I'm prepared to lose over this. So if everything goes well, I will get a profit of, I'll set my profit here of $5. With gold, you can even set like $10. You can, it's possible. So if you click guaranteed stop, they charge you for this guaranteed stop. Yeah, they will charge you commission for using that. So if you want like a trailing stop, yes, I recommend a trailing stop so that your losses are covered by a trail. So it will be like a range. It will be a sort of like a range as long as there's a gap of profit from, as long as your gap of profit is minus 89, it will sort of like be still going on. It won't terminate the position. But if you don't click the trailing stop loss, it means that as soon as gold hits $89.43, it will close. Even if it was going like to rise again, you know how the markets at times they drop and then they rise again. So I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to tell you about the trailing stop. So the trailing stop is a good thing. It's good for you. That's what I can say. So then you click buy. You would have opened a gold position. Okay, something's just wrong with my account. It's not allowing me to do all these sort of things. But that is how you. So if you want to view your close positions, what you've done, you click here. So this is me. This is how I was playing with my demo account. You see, I've really been blowing this demo account. It now is like $795, but I was given $100,000. So I was just experimenting. I was trying to be reckless and see what happens. I wanted to experience losses so that I know what not to do. So I was really reckless, and I really learned how to lose. So yeah, this is it. Like, what else do you need to know? If you want to deposit your money, you go to menu, deposit, you deposit here, withdraw, click withdraw here. So it's asking me to switch to real money. If you want to deposit, yes, you have to switch to real money. Okay. So if you want to change your type of graph, if you no longer want candlesticks, you want line graph, there is our line. If you want to come back to candlesticks, I love candlesticks because they tell me more. Come here. I've shown you how to change your time. This is where you change your time. If you want 4 hours, if you want 1 day, and you have to zoom in and zoom out in order to see what is really happening. If you want by the tick, what is happening at the moment, that is by the tick. So it will be showing you what will be happening. Okay. So now I want to go back to my candles. Yeah, take this. Okay, so the tick doesn't show you in candles, it just shows you in a line. Yeah, I've just discovered that now. If I want candles, I have to go back to 1 minute to show me my candles. Okay, this is all that I had for Plus500. Plus500 has got its disadvantages and advantages compared to eToro. It allows you to trade without a the stop limit. It doesn't force you to have a stop limit, because some other currencies, they really go down and then they will really rise up. So in eToro, you'll be making losses if you're trading with such kind of currencies. So Plus500 will be good for those kind of currencies. And also, if you want to trade silver and gold, Plus500 will be good for you. Yeah, so I think that those are the advantages. So I'm going one of these days when I find time. It has been very hectic for me. I haven't been finding time to do videos. So I am going to record a video on this platform. I really love that platform, and I would really recommend it for anyone. It's Pepperstone Sea Trader. So Pepperstone is like it's a company which is based in Melbourne. It has won some awards on being the best broker, like the trading platform. And I really love what they are doing. So I've just started trading with them. I've put my money with them, and I love the fact that they are there. You know, you can call them, you can give them a phone call, they can email you back. They are just there, you know, they support you. Unlike Plus500, if you want to call anyone, you won't find anyone. There's no phone number. But they have like an online support. You have to go online and chat online. They reply. Plus500, they just have like a online support. But Pepperstone, you can actually call them. They can call you. When they verified my account, they called me, And then they wrote me an email, and when I had a question, I would write them an email and they'll just reply and respond. They were so helpful. And they don't charge anything, like overnight charges. There's no overnight charges. Everything's just for free. That is what I love about them. But they have like other platforms that you can play. You can play with. They've got robots. If you have got your money and you want to use a robot to trade for you, they've got trading softwares. So if you are really looking into being a serious trader, a serious investor, you should start looking at Pepperstone. They have like the softwares, the robots that can just buy and sell for you. You'll be making money while you're sleeping. You don't have to click anything. Everything will be automated. So I just pray that one day I'll get there. Okay, gold is doing so well. Oh my gosh. This is time to buy gold. It's doing so well. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and watch my other videos. I